Hi and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be making a new fire pit and I'm going to be using these pieces of stainless steel flat bar. They were sheared off of the end of a 4x8 sheet for a job that we were doing, and this was all just the scrap. So I was able to bring that on home with me, and now I'm gonna make a fire pit out of it. So my plan is I want to roll these. Well, actually first I'm going to take two of these and weld them together to make them 8 feet long. I'll repeat that, so I'll have 4 pieces that are 8 feet long and then roll all of those, and then a couple of these I can shear into 3 16-inch pieces each. And then my plan is to make a fire pit where it'll almost look like a wicker basket or something, where I'll weave the rings around the vertical 16-inch tall pieces. And I think it should look pretty cool. I don't think I've ever seen anyone else do it, and normally that's what I kind of like to go for, is something that's unique. So I'll get started on welding these up. Alright, got these clamped to the table nice and straight. Just have to weld it now. There we go. Now I just need 3 more. 4 8-foot long pieces welded up. Now tomorrow I'll take those and I think 3 of these guys and bring them to the shop. I'll shear these ones into 3 16-inch pieces each, and then roll those into a full circle and bring them home, weld the seams on those, and then start weaving them together. Okay, I got my 4 rings welded up here. And now I just need to peel all this off. And once I have that off, I can mark out where all of my flat bars are going to go. So right now it's kind of looking like a big crown. I got them all welded along the bottom and I've tried flexing them out just a little bit. So now I can try and put on another ring. That's the tacking part all done. I still have to do a bunch of welds. Alright, I got this all welded out here. So on the inside, I just went with like a 1-inch stitch everywhere that the flat bar goes behind the uprights. And then the tops of every one I welded right out. That's one nice thing about the way this design is if any of these welds are to break, that ring, or the middle rings anyway, they can't really go anywhere. They might be able to move up and down a little bit, but they should pretty much stay put pretty well. So yeah, I think right now I'm just about done. I gotta clean up all the welds, and then I think I might actually take my belt sander and run it along the edges and go up and down this way, and it'll give it some like brushed lines. And I think that would look pretty cool if I went sideways with all the rings and then up and down on all the uprights. So I'll go get my belt sander and take another time lapse of that. There we are, it's nice and shiny. It would have made a lot more sense for me to do all that belt sanding before I rolled it and welded everything together. But it turned out pretty good all the same. So yeah, now it's just ready for a fire and maybe a new owner. So anyway, thanks for watching.